fresh vegetables. This pumpkin leaf, that's ugu. I'm going to make it with uziza. This is what I'm going to wash with it. I'm going to wash it with, sorry. So I have to pick this uziza leaf. I'm preparing ogbono soup with pumpkin leaf and uziza leaf to 200. This thing you're seeing, to 200, that's 600. So I've already picked a pumpkin leaf. It's time to pick uziza leaf. This is I've soaked it in water. Uziza leaf. This ice fish. This is a dry fish. This anya something. I don't know the name in English. This is crayfish. This is opolo. This is fresh pepper. This, and oil. This is 1 cup of ogbono with ube. I grinded it together. This uziza seed. Uziza seed. I'm going to add uziza seed. I'm going to cook the fish with black pepper. This is Ghana pepper. I'm about slicing this uziza seed. I have to pound it. Pound it first because it's very small. So I'll pound it very well. Then after pounding, I'll add fresh pepper. I'm going to pound all together, one after the other. After pounding properly, then I'll add the crayfish and the pulu. Then I'll pound. After pounding it properly, then I'll first pick my fish and then add them. I've already picked and I've carefully washed it. So I'll add them to the pot and start cooking. Then red oil. After adding red oil, next is to add the salt. Add salt to taste. And allow it to cook. Then add the dry pepper. Then add a pounded crayfish. All those was fresh pepper. All those pounding things I pounded. So I'll add all of them. Allow it to cook. You allow ingredients to cook. Ingredients to cook well. Allow it to cook properly. Then I have to scoop it out everything properly because these are now expensive. Alright. Then after adding them, I'll allow it to cook properly. Then this is the ogbono, 1 cup of ogbono. I will not add everything. I don't want it to be too much. Just soup for 2 days. Okay, so this is it. I'll cover it to cook very well. The amount of water is not too much. Soup is just for 2 days. Next is vegetable. I'll add the vegetable. I've already washed and sliced it. After adding, I'll stir it properly. Ogbono used to draw, so I have to mix it well. Then I'll add the fried fish. No meat today. I'm going to prepare. I'm preparing with fried fish. I already fried the fish.